Welcome to FERONIA Hotel Beijing Chaoyang District Bird's Nest Datun Metro Station. Be sure to check the description below or scan the QR code for booking details and special offers. Tucked away in Beijing's vibrant Chaoyang District, this hotel blends modern comfort with tranquil garden surroundings, offering a peaceful retreat just moments from the bustling city. Step into an elegant lobby that sets the tone for a relaxing stay, where warm hospitality and thoughtful amenities await. The true highlight of FERONIA Hotel is its serene garden oasis, a lush escape where guests can unwind amid towering trees and fragrant flowers. Take leisurely walks along winding pathways, rest on cozy benches, or simply soak in the calming ambience, perfect for travelers craving a moment of quiet reflection. Families will love the vibrant outdoor playground, where children can swing, climb, and play safely while parents relax nearby. Inside, the hotel's stylish rooms and suites are designed for comfort, featuring plush bedding, modern furnishings, and free Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Each morning begins with a delicious breakfast to fuel your day of exploring Beijing's top attractions, including the iconic Bird's Nest Stadium, just a short distance away. With Datun Metro Station conveniently close, navigating the city is effortlessly easy. Whether you're here for business, leisure, or a mix of both, FERONIA Hotel provides thoughtful hospitality with every stay. Don't forget to scan the QR code in the description for exclusive booking options and start planning your Beijing getaway today.